Hi, Colleen. How are you? We are going to work with Pretty Pumpkins today, and celebration is over, so there's no bundles to be had. We'll see what the next thing is, okay? All right, let me do picture in picture. Hold on. There we go. And let's go to the desktop. I'm having a little technical difficulty. Okay, let's go to the desktop. There we are. So we're going to work with Pretty Pumpkins, and I'm using an old designer paper. I felt like I needed to steal it out of my stash because I never used it. Garden Lane. It's got garden green, mint macaron, mossy meadow, pear pizzazz, soft seafoam, and basic white in it. And I thought maybe I should use it because I haven't used it. I can't believe I have a stash that is so thick. I have to use a lot of older paper. So we're going to use Pretty Pumpkin, and we need to look at the dies that come with it. There's the pumpkins right here, and this cuts that. This cuts that. This is a standalone, and this is a standalone, but this cuts that. And then we have, oh, I'm sorry. Was I off camera? No. Okay. Then we have some 3 leaves, and I think this cuts that. So, and what we are doing is I used scallop contours and tasteful labels as well. Let's look at the cards that I made. Okay, so gather together. I did not put anything inside them yet. These are going to probably go to my family, but this one I did some gold embossing, and I used a gold pen on the swirlies. And this one, I used the Bedazzle and the Garden Lane, and I put a bunch of Gather Together. Again, nothing on the inside, but I like this one because it gathers up all of the pumpkins. And this one Let me get it in. This one I like because of the Mossy Meadow. I did a little bit of stamping on that, and I cut out the flowers and I put some jewels on them. And so thankful. I did just the top part of So Thankful. And it's so thankful for you. And then here's the So Thankful. And I colored this with my markers. A lot of intense work there. So let's move on to our card. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to stamp Gather Together up here in the top part in basic gray. I know there's not a lot of sentiments. If friends were pumpkins, I'd pick you, So Thankful for You, and Gather Together. Actually, let me move this into the camera. Excuse my head. And I thought I'd go with copper and gold and silver. So I'm going to use this side because that's a little busy. Oh, let's get it up into view. Okay, so we're going to center this on the front, and this is going to go up on dimensionals. And I'm out of dimensionals, so I'm going to use up my well, I guess I'm going to have to cut off a little bit. And cut that in half. And there we go. All right. I'm going to actually set this aside. For the moment. because I want to place this one down. And you can use adhesive strips on this, or you can use glue.
It rained a little bit. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Pretty good little rain.
It started whenever I got on the bed.
And I'm going to put the gold copper there, and we'll use those leaves.
This guy's pretty funny.
And she put in purple wet nose on my hand, and she was all excited.
Etiquette-wise, when you go to whatever you want to film movie,
And
when you get to the location, if De Niro is playing with landing at the same time as you're like, do you tell your pilot, or is it just fucking hit the brakes? I want to be open.
we need to put a couple of dimensionals there. And I'm going to cut this one and use it there, and then I'm going to, let's see, and then I'm going to use the leaves all over the place. Let's see what we have. This is a very simple card. It's not difficult to make. Let's see. I got glue on my finger. See, I keep getting glue on my finger. It's coming through the lines. Yeah, I'll have to get that off of there. Woo! Getting glue all over the place. So what I'll do with these is I'll probably use them on another card. So I will put them with the dies. Sorry, my brain is not working right. So that is pretty quick. Pretty quick. And we need to let that dry. And that is pretty much the card. So Pretty Pumpkins has several different ideas, and I think that I will have them up on my blog. Let's see. Gotta do this. I will have them up on my blog by tomorrow. And I did not use any of the colors except Pear Pizzazz. I used all fall colors. All fall colors in there. So I will have them up on my blog. Oh, went blank. All right. Thank you and have a good rest of your day. Have a great weekend. And I'm under 20 minutes. Yay! Have a good day.